Hi, my name is Abhishek, and I'm a restaurant owner. We have a couple of branches here in Chennai in the name of Mr. Papri, and we have a couple of new brands which we have come up with on the Swiggy Zomato platform, which we call the Dark Kitchen or the Cloud Kitchen. And we also have two franchise outlets coming up, one in Hyderabad, one in Bangalore, which will be live by the end of this year. So I'm here to talk to you about the recent program which I attended with my team from IVUMA Solutions. So the program was I attended it twice with them. One was the first one, which was with Mitali Kalra, and that was a very good eye opener for me in terms of how to deal with Swiggy Zomato. Because as restaurant owners we have this. I used to have this bittersweet relationship with Swiggy, thinking they came like they were folding their hands when they came in, and now after so many years we are in front of them folding our hands saying please give us orders. So but that gave me a good perspective on how to look at Swiggy Zomato now, because that's the way to go. And that was a very good eye opener in terms of how to engineer your menu, how to build your brand and stuff like that. And so I learned a lot from that workshop. And then again, when they announced another workshop with Mr. Nilabha Chatterjee, I was more than happy to attend it. And again, good takeaways, good insights I had. But the thing is, see, these programs they hit you based on your level of understanding, is what I believe. So see, if I was a newbie in the market, and I had no idea about the market, maybe I would not understand so much of the advanced points which they say. But now that we have about close to 100 orders a day in each of our outlets, so I was able to take the advanced nuances very nicely and gain good insights from that. How to engineer your menu, how to not make your consumer confused. We think Swiggy Zomato mein to, you have a lot of options. You can just add on menu, add as many options as you can. But after attending these workshops I realized it does more harm than it does good. So that way, yeah, these workshops were great. They were nicely conducted, and I'm very thankful for the IOMA team, Ayush, and the founding team for taking such an initiative and taking care of this industry which was the worst hit during Corona. And this gives us a nice hope and optimism to bounce back, and to be with so many people who are in the same field, and to be with them and learn. It's a nice refreshing thing to do. So I totally endorse this program, and it doesn't cost at all. It's like peanuts for what you give, for what you gain in the workshop. So a big thumbs up to the team, and I look forward to doing more courses and learning more with you guys. Thank you so much.